Today guys is the day. This is the day of the day of the days. We are ripping out the engine. But first, a special shout out and thank you to all my subscribers, my loyal fans. Couldn't do this without you. You make this possible. It's because of you I could buy this shed, you know, buy this car, buy this lift, do everything I want to, you know. It's just heartwarming to see all of you loyal supporters, and I just guys, do you see me? I'm here, guys. Step 1, open the hood. Step 2, Google how to take out an RX-8 engine. Step number 1, remove hood. Remove hood so not in the way. Fuck. That should be pretty light. Aha. Very nice. Step 2, open up a BEV. Step 3, pull the battery Maximus Volvo EUS, for some reason Volvo, the Swedish Volvo battery. And always make sure you keep the bolts stuck to the piece they belong to. It helps in the long run to be organized. Thank you. Step 4, I think. Let's remove the computador. Step 4.5. I forgot to drain the fluid, so let's drain the oil and coolant. Now for the coolant. I think this is the drain for the coolant. Why the fuck is it shouting on me, man? Maybe we need to open the... Oh! Oh! There's pressure! Oh! I forgot to open the cap to let out, you know, science. Let me explain. Air on top, push water down. Thank you. Step 5. Remove the strut bar. Step 6, let's remove the air filter box. I broke it a little bit. Now you might be thinking, why is there oil in the air intake into the throttle body? Well, because it's a Doritos engine and it squirts oil, stupid. Didn't you know that? Why were you even questioning it? Man. Step 7. Remove the air pump. Step 7. Remove the air pump. Brorsan, varför är den så svår för? Now you might be asking, Pap, why the long shaft? Well, to be honest with you guys, I prefer a long shaft over a short one. Any day of the week. You know? Air pump out. Step 8. Step 8. Intake manifold. Guys, don't push stuff down into the engine bay. Blood. Now we need to remove the fuel lines, and for some reason Mazda makes it so simple. Let me demonstrate. You push this plastic thing back, and then you just pull. Wow, I love this. Bang, pull, finito, no problemo. Now let's remove the throttle body. I think it's only these 4 bolts. Let's test out that theory. Yes, sir. No, not another one. Okay, guys. Guess how many screwdrivers are in this engine bay? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Okay, guys. Now we should be able to remove this whole intake manifold. I think. How? I'm not sure. Let's start with these bolts here. Let's try to not drop it into the engine bay. Is this doing anything? No. Why? Oh, I'm so close. Guys, just use the right tools, okay? Finally, shit! The blue one is on top. You see them? The blue one in there and the white one. This sucks. I'll come back. Finally! Screw you, Mazda, that sucked. That suckety sucked. Now, after this painful manifold removal, we should probably cover some stuff up here and then remove the alternator. Easy lube it up. Okay, guys, I'm proud to present Mr. Thirdman to this assignment today. Here to help me pull the engine out, Thirdman. Okay, guys, now we're just gonna pull out a couple of hose and pins, and I'm gonna provide you with a good time lapse. Okay, guys, we just pulled the ignition coil 4, 1, 2, 3 on off top of the thing when the Mahomey in the red. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
Next up is... wait, Third, you need to relax.
No.
I am talking to my fans. Next up is the AC pump, because we can't be bothered letting out the AC gas. But if we do, it's by a professional mechanic shop and in a safe way. Right, Third?
Right. 100%.
Það er svolítið utalega þarna.
Já, þú ert alveg vel tæpur hann sko. Shit, drengur.
Þetta er BAP approved.
BAP approved.
Stefán væri hér og myndi...
A kebab.
If BAP wants to die, it's under his RX-8.
Yes. Er þetta ekki intekið fyrir ofan og exhaustið, er þetta ekki bara sömu hlið?
Jú, þetta er sömu hlið. Þú vilt losa allt intekið frá, sem sagt. Já, kannski verður það sens. Okay, guys, day 2 of engine pull-out method. Today the engine comes out. Trust me on this.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom.
I just need to remove one more oil line, the AC pump, and a couple of other small little things, and then I think we're good to go. Follow the Okay, I think the only thing left now is to loosen the transmission from the engine and then remove the engine from the engine mounts and out with it.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom.
Guys, this is not going as well as I'd hoped. It's hard to reach stuff there, and I think I'm going to remove the exhaust drive shaft and maybe pull the transmission with it.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. Vroom. I told her mom that I bust soon. Soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh. Told her step back, I need my broom. Vroom. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and Dan, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking so blind. I hit my lawyer, don't got the time. Crossing my T's and he dotting those eyes.
Oh hi guys, didn't see you there. Back the builder here. I'm just removing the transmission from the body. See you later when I'm done. Brushan.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. Vroom. I told her mom that I bust soon.
Oh,
Soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my broom. Vroom. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom.
I heard man when I chat and chit. I come through like what's good, these wigs getting split. Man better breeze and sprint, it's long if I choose to bite down on these pricks. X is a lyrical 4-4 and this, so make sure it's X that you wanna rally with. Oh, make a big man turn to a kid. Shout out skull when I splat out wigs. Never seen X's with your eyes closed, don't move past girls behind your eyelid. Bars and flows, check out their mixture. Told them man can't handle the fixture. It's all funny games to the person saying it's all funny games. Get beat up and cocked out the picture. Must be active if you can wig me. I'll tell my man put down the liquor.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and if you want more exclusive content, go check out my OnlyFans. And thanks to all my Patreons. We got the engine out finally with the tranny. Everything's looking good, nothing broken. We can start the engine rebuild. The MSB 13BBB RX-8 engine rebuild turbo with the turbo. 750 horsepower.